开始，好。
Hi.
Today my speech is about the internet. As a picture you can see, as the improvement of the technology, more and more different kinds of high-tech products appear in our life year by year, like cell phone, computer, and of course, internet. Internet is very familiar word in the societies nowadays. However, you are a student or you are a worker, whatever you introduce, you always can touch it, which is called the internet. I feel I want to talk about this topic today because there are lots of different effects on people's behavior on using the internet. Internet plays a more and more important role in our life. People love it and even cannot live without it. It seems like no matter how hard we try, it is simple to difficult to tear ourselves away from computer screen, and with reason. It is from the Silver School on 2009. So today I will talk about the history of the internet and how it changed our life. First, I will talk about the history of the internet. According to However, 210, the internet was the result of some western thinking by people in the early 1960s that saw great potential value in allowing computers to share information on research and development in statistic and material fields. The early internet was used by computer experts, engineers, scientists, and librarians. It seems that the history of the internet looks very completed. So now let's talk about how internet changed our lives nowadays. First, I want to talk about the advantages of the internet. People can communicate with each other very fast and share information like this. The internet built a very good environment for people to spend the free time. Social networking also become very popular nowadays. There are maybe more and more other advantages for you, but nothing is perfect. I also want to talk about some disadvantages about internet using, which may be harmful to you or anyone else. When you log your online banking or other service, you may also risk to theft your information or even money. Like this online banking, or usually we use it in the U.S. bank. Various programs and phone are the problems that may be harmful to children. The lack of social networking can bring bad effects on teenagers. Some teenagers were attached to the internet. Thus, internet has the potential to make your life simple and convenient, as well as we helped in our life. It is influenced is the most dictated by the choice you make while you are online. Today I talk about the history of internet and how the internet changed our life. Everything has disadvantages and advantages, but nobody knows that what will happen. So just behave you, then everything will be fine. Thank you.